Danke bafethu. Breaking news, i-first starting lineup e-Orlando Pirates bafethu njengoba bazodlala neLupopo yalaphana eCongo. First starting 11 naba bafethu abaqalayo laphana. uSipho Sheynez u-goalkeeper, uLibitso laphana ku-right back, ku-left back uHotho, uMbokazi laphana ku-center back, uNosibisi laphana, and then umuntu ozoba protector uNduli, and then Nemtajela. Yes, exciting midfielder bafethu, umfana super exciting. Sipho Mbulu uyaqala-ke naye laphana. It'll be interesting to see ukuthi uSipho Mbulu uzodlala kanjani namhlanje, considering the fact that kuBafana Bafana udlala as number 10 ku-Orlando Pirates akekho advanced that much. Sebelebele uyaqala, uqala naye noMuremi laphana, and then istriker sabo Evidence Makgopa. Masibheka le squad lesi squad esi-powerful kakhulu bafowethu, esingakwazi ukuhlala noma yiphi team. Orlando Pirates serious-ke this season ku-continental campaign, they wanna do everything ku-power yabo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-results nanokuthi baphumelele bona as i-Orlando Pirates bafethu. Le squad lesi powerful ngempela. Sibili sobheka ukuthi uzoshaya lawo ma-runs wakhe la wenzayo njalo exciting, taking players on. uMuremi-ke naye is unpredictable, une-flair, une-skill, he can beat players on. Quick, very quick bafethu, nanokuthi-ke he has an eye for goal. Evidence Makgopa is central number 9. Well, Evidence Makgopa uyi-hard worker, but-ke amagoli amaningi ngeke wa-expect from yena kakhulu. But-ke into ayilethayo laphana ku-Orlando Pirates i-hard work. Uyi-hard worker, but that is why Orlando Pirates beyifuna i-striker bafethu, because badinga i-striker esi-deadly ngempela, because bayakwazi kwa-create ama-opportunities. But-ke isikhathi esiningi Orlando Pirates badla ngama-wing, bazodla ngosibelebele. Isibelebele maka-off, ukhona u-Apholis me-off, ukhona uMuremi, but-ke ama-winger wabo adlala kahle kakhulu bafethu. Then-ke lapha ebhentshini le-Orlando Pirates bafethu khona uDladla umfana laphana, kusho ukuthi uye i-second goalkeeper, i-second choice. uSiyema naye bamdropa to ibhenchi bafethu after some time laphana eqala ama-matches amaningi, edlala laphana noMbekezeli Mbokazi bafethu, bayi-pair eserious estrong laphana emuva. uNdlozi siyambona naye u-right back, umfana udlala i-right back laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, ukhona laphana ebhentshini. Angangamboni that much this season, but-ke sithembe ukuthi he will be given an opportunity to play overall laphana. uNdaba, exciting left back bafethu, naye ukhona laphana ebhentshini umfana. Whenever is given an opportunity to play, I trust this one ukuthi uzodeliver. uNdaba yi-superstar bafethu, udlala i-left back, but-ke unfortunately Orlando Pirates i-left back abayithembayo uHotho. For some time uHotho kudala deliver for Orlando Pirates, so it makes sense ukuthi balokhu njani baqalise yena umfowethu laphana, njengoba uHotho njengoba i-exciting kangaka overall lebhole ku-Orlando Pirates, and uyakwazi ukudeliver amagoli, uyakwazi ukudeliver ama-assist, uyaphambili, uyi-hard worker. But I think umfana kumele alinde i-opportunity yakhe nje. Once athole i-opportunity yakhe uzokwazi ngempela ukuyisiza i-Orlando Pirates kakhulu, hayi kancane. Ngiyamthemba. Omunye surprise bafethu ukuthi u-Apholis uqala ebhentshini. For me, Apholis bafethu is possibly the best player e-South Africa manje. Hayi umjida. Okay, South Africa. Yeah. Mangicabanga ama-best players e-South Africa, Apholis ngiyamcabanga at the moment. Ukwazi ukuba yi-super sub coming from the bench, akwazi ukukora, noma ungamqalisa igame uyakwazi ukukora, uyakwazi uku-assista, exciting, taking players on, uquick. Apholis i-superstar bafethu umjida. Patrick Maswanganyi naye ukhona laphana ebhentshini umfethu. Kusho ukuthi namhlanje number 10, yeah. Nayi lento engiyibonayo. Yabo lento le Bafana bayithatha manje bayisa ku-Orlando Pirates, because uSipho Mbulu ku-Orlando Pirates njengoba bengishilo ukuthi kusho ukuthi uzodlala le position ka-Patrick Maswanganyi. Uzoba u-number 10, kuyabe creative, bamnike lo free role le uSipho Mbulu akwaziyo uku-excela kuyo. uPatrick Maswanganyi kula adlala khona. And then uMbatha uqala ebhentshini. Uqala noMariko laphana usebhentshini, uMabasa naye usebhentshini. I think the toughest job at the moment eSouth Africa Orlando Pirates. I mean, quality elingaka bafethu, and not just equality, uphethe abantu abaperformayo week in and week out. I mean, uMbatha ushaya igoli manje for iBafana Bafana, igoli elibasizile ukuthi baqualify for i-World Cup. No-Apholis ngokunjalo nawe ushaya igoli, but guess what, ngoba u-2 baqala ebhentshini ku-Orlando Pirates. This shows ukuthi Orlando Pirates bafethu ine-depth emangazayo. I mean, when you're talking about isquad abanaso overall, bane-squad esi-serious bafethu esingakhompyutha nanoma yiphi team. I think I watch interview ye-former Orlando Pirates captain ukhulume ngokuthi they wanna do better than last season. Last season bafike kuma-semi-finals we-CAF Champions League le abayiqalayo. Then this season if bafike last season kuma-semi-finals then kusho ukuthi this season bafuna ukufika ku-final and then siyazi ukuthi ku-final kungenzeka noma yini but ibhola lase-Africa predictable and the Orlando Pirates at some point bafethu thola ukuthi ishawa wojwaneng kulama-qualifying stages but this time around I don't see Orlando Pirates ivele iluza kalula. Manje Orlando Pirates powerful ngenye indlela. I think into ebasizile as Orlando Pirates bafethu, I mean ukuthukwa ama-fans, uku-attack-wa ama-fans, kuthiwa u-coach ayikho indaba yakhe but mbhekeni manje bafowethu ukuthi wenzani and ebhekani manje ama-player ukuthi adeliver kangakanani for i-Orlando Pirates. I mean there's no excuse, akunama-excuse, akunaniksi. Ezimnyama ngenkani ezikamagebhulu zagebhula umhlaba kamasipala zijabule kakhulu because of i-team iperforma kahle kakhulu. Let's be fair. For me, currently I think they are the best team in the country overall. Uma ubheka ama-cup games ubheke nanokuthi yibo ama-current reigning champions olaphana kwe-MTN 8 seba-change i-MTN 8 bayenze i-Orlando 8 because of bayiwina every season, I mean 4 times in a row. So nalama players already amasha mawafika laphana ethimini ajoyina i-team ewinayo, i-team ene-depth too much. Yabona basayina ama-player amaningi kakhulu but-ke sesiwabonile ama-player amasha. Mawubheka nje ama-player amasha aqalayo kule starting lineup, uNduli uyaqala, uMasindi uyaqala, uMbulu, uSibelebele, uMoremi, ayi-5 new players aqalayo, brand new players from Orlando Pirates. And then laphana ebhentshini khona uApholisi, uMariko, uNdaba, uSiyema. So kuyabonisa ukuthi those guys who were signed by Orlando Pirates bekungasiyo waste, ba-investe kahle kakhulu. Nanokuthi-ke they were very calculative how they signed their players and the caliber of players they wanted for Orlando Pirates because of the certain caliber oyidingayo ukuthi udlalele Orlando Pirates isikhathi esiningi. But in recent seasons we've seen them signing really good players. In fact Orlando just basayina abantu abaningi kakhulu. Angazi or istyle se-Orlando Pirates ukuthi babe ne-depth bakwazi ukukhompyutha. I think they are signing for a continental level ukuthi nabo bacompete. They don't want to back down. Last season sibabonile bafethu ukuthi bastruggle nge-depth ye-squad after ama-player amaningi aya kuma-injuries but-ke Orlando Pirates ikwazile still ukufika laphana kuma-semi-finals we-continental level. Baphazamiseka-ke laphana eligini. This time around again they're chasing i-league but this time around ku-emotional, bayayifuna ngempela. That is why we're seeing ama-signings we-Orlando Pirates amaningi kangaka. So they're not backing down. Bayabona ukuthi bangakwazi ukubuilda i-squad esi-super powerful ukuthi singakwazi ukukhompyutha possibly let's say ne-Mamelodi Sundowns for i-league championship. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.